Hey, my name's Vicky Gow. I'm a journalist. I'm also the sister of a deaf brother, and I'm breaking my fears this year for SignHealth. SignHealth has been around for more than 30 years, but I've only been an ambassador for the charity for just over a year now. And they offer so many services, and it's all focused around the health and wellbeing of deaf people across the country. So they advocate, they campaign, they work with the government, they work with the NHS. They even work with domestic abuse victims and young people, teach them about healthy relationships. But one of the key things that they do, and why I really support them, is that they offer counselling and mental health services in the language that deaf people speak, which is BSL. If you've never had therapy, maybe that might not mean anything to you, but I have, and to sit there one-on-one with someone is really nerve-wracking. And I can only imagine for a deaf person, one, to have to be able to afford the interpreter is not very easy. But that situation of having three people in a room and you're trying to work through all of your past issues and how you're feeling can't be comfortable. And I'm just passionate that deaf people should have the exact same health outcomes as a hearing person like myself. And many people might not know about me and my family, but my eldest brother is deaf. So when you grow up with a deaf person, you really understand all the barriers that they face day to day. And if you're talking about their health, it's a case of booking doctor's appointments, booking hospital appointments, having an interpreter there. You're kind of worrying if they even understand the information that's been said to them about their health. And a lot of information isn't targeted towards the deaf community. So there's a lot that they're missing out on. And that's why I'm breaking my fears, which is something that everyone can relate to, whether you're deaf or you're hearing. And hopefully that's going to raise some money for SignHealth, because I have a £700 target, so I need to get moving. Some of those are snakes. I've been terrified of holding snakes and just even been around them. I couldn't look at pictures of them since I was a child. So next week, all being well, I'm going to be meeting Snakey Sue. She's over in Harwich. She has a snake sanctuary, I'm going to call it, and she's going to help me kind of get through that. So that's going to be interesting. And she also does this kind of therapy with snakes as well, which she's going to tell me a bit more about, so that's exciting. And then also what I'm really looking forward to is I'm interviewing Sign Kid in April, I believe. He is a deaf creative, he's a musician, a rapper, producer. He's based in London, and like my brother, he's the only deaf person in his family as well. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that, how he faced his fears and actually decided to embark on a music career. And then I've got other things like diving. I'm trying to get in touch with diving schools in Essex to see if they can help me, because all I can do is doggy paddle at the moment. I want to sing in public, not because I'm amazing, just because I think it would be fun and good to watch. And then other things like eating in public, going and having a 3-course meal out in a restaurant. So all I'm going to ask is that people enjoy the videos. They're all going to be shared to social media. Learn a little bit about deaf culture, and, you know, just support me. Like, I need the support. I'm also trying to raise £700 for SignHealth, so any donations are going to be really welcome. And just enjoy me being embarrassed on camera, basically.